Are you prepared for retirement? Many of us put off thinking about it until the last minute. But the earlier you start planning, the better off you'll be. But where do you even begin? In today's video, I'm going to share 10 essential retirement planning tips that can help secure your financial future. Whether you're just starting your career or nearing retirement, these tips are for everyone who wants to live comfortably in their golden years. Let's dive in. 1. Contribute the maximum to your 401k. One of the best retirement strategies is to contribute as much as possible to your 401k. If your employer offers a 401k match, make sure you're contributing enough to take full advantage of it. In 2025, the contribution limit for a 401k is $23,500. If you're over 50, there's a catch-up contribution of an additional $7,500, giving you a total limit of $31,000. For those in the age range of 60 to 63, a new super catch-up contribution allows an even higher limit of $34,750. The benefit? Your contributions are tax-deferred, meaning you're lowering your taxable income now. Plus, your investments grow without being taxed until you withdraw them, which is a huge advantage. Consider contributing to a Roth 401k as well. While your contributions won't reduce your taxable income now, you can withdraw funds tax-free in retirement, which can be a great strategy if you anticipate being in a higher tax bracket when you retire. 2. Open an IRA or Roth IRA. If your employer doesn't offer a 401k, don't worry. Individual retirement accounts, IRAs, are a great alternative for building retirement savings. In 2025, you can contribute up to $7,000 to an IRA or $8,000 if you're over 50. The key advantage of IRAs is the flexibility in investment choices. You're not limited to your employer's plan options. You can choose from stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other investment types. This gives you a chance to diversify and tailor your portfolio to your specific retirement goals. If you're worried about taxes in retirement, consider a Roth IRA. Roth IRAs allow for tax-free withdrawals, which can be a huge benefit when you're living on a fixed income in retirement. Keep in mind, though, that IRAs have lower contribution limits compared to 401ks, but they're still a solid option for those looking to save more for retirement. 3. Understand your risk tolerance and asset allocation. When planning for retirement, risk tolerance and asset allocation are key factors in determining how your portfolio should look. Your risk tolerance is how much risk you're willing to take on in your investments. If you're younger, you may be more willing to invest in riskier assets like stocks because you have time to recover from market fluctuations. However, if you're closer to retirement, you might prefer a more conservative approach with bonds and other low-risk assets. Asset allocation refers to how you divide your investments between different types of assets like stocks, bonds, and cash. A good strategy is to align your allocation with your risk tolerance. A financial advisor can help you create a diversified portfolio that balances risk and reward while aligning with your long-term goals. 4. Open a health savings account, HSA. Healthcare costs in retirement can be overwhelming, so it's smart to start saving for healthcare expenses early. A health savings account, HSA, is one of the most effective ways to do this. HSAs offer triple tax benefits. Contributions are tax-deductible, your investments grow tax-free, and you can take tax-free withdrawals for qualified healthcare expenses. This makes an HSA an excellent tool to save for healthcare costs in retirement. According to a study by Fidelity, a 65-year-old couple can expect to spend an average of $315,000 on healthcare costs in retirement. By contributing to an HSA now, you'll be better prepared for these costs when the time comes, and the money you save will go further in retirement. 5. Be aware of retirement fund fees. Many people overlook the impact of fees on their retirement savings. Depending on the funds you're invested in, you could be paying fees that eat into your returns. For example, most mutual funds charge an expense ratio for managing the investment. These fees can reduce the growth of your retirement funds over time. To minimize fees, make sure to review your plan's fees. Look for low-fee investment options, such as index funds and ETFs. These are typically more cost-effective and still offer a broad range of investment opportunities. Also, Consider consulting a fee-only advisor who can help you make decisions that keep your expenses low and your returns high. 6. Consider an annuity. An annuity can be a helpful tool in retirement, especially if you're concerned about running out of money. An annuity is essentially an insurance product that provides a steady stream of income in exchange for an upfront payment. Some annuities offer lifetime payments, which means you'll continue to receive income for as long as you live. While annuities aren't for everyone, they can be a good option if you're looking for guaranteed income in retirement. Just make sure you understand the different types of annuities, as some offer immediate payouts, while others allow you to defer payments until a later date. 7. Take advantage of the Saver's Credit. Many people don't realize they could qualify for the Saver's Credit, a tax credit that rewards individuals for saving for retirement. This credit offers a percentage of your contributions to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. Depending on your income, you could receive 10%, 20%, or 50% of your contributions, up to $1,000 for single filers and $2,000 for married couples. In 2025, the income limits of the credit are as follows: 50% for single filers earning $23,750 or less, and married couples earning $47,500 or less. 20% for single filers earning $23,750 to $25,500, and married couples earning $47,500 to $51,000. And 10% for single filers earning $25,500 to $39,500, and married couples earning $51,000 to $79,000. If you're eligible, this credit can significantly lower the cost of your retirement savings, so be sure to take advantage of it. 8. Delay Social Security benefits. If you can afford to wait, delaying Social Security benefits can increase your monthly payments later in retirement. Social Security benefits are calculated based on your full retirement age, which ranges from 65 to 67, depending on when you were born. By delaying your benefits beyond your full retirement age, you can increase your monthly payout by up to 8% per year. This can add up significantly over time, especially if you're in good health and expect to live a long life. Additionally, if you're married, coordinating with your spouse on when to begin benefits can help maximize your total Social Security income. You may want to consider the higher earner delaying their benefits to increase the overall amount your household will receive. 9. Hedge against inflation. Inflation can erode your purchasing power over time, making it important to plan for it in your retirement strategy. Historically, inflation has averaged about 3% per year, meaning what costs $100 today could cost $181 in 20 years. To hedge against inflation, make sure you're investing in assets that have the potential to outpace inflation, such as stocks and real estate. Additionally, consider increasing your retirement savings and contributing to low-fee, diversified investments that offer long-term growth potential. 10. Develop a retirement withdrawal strategy. Once you're retired, the next step is figuring out how to withdraw money from your retirement accounts. The 4% rule is a common guideline, suggesting that you can safely withdraw 4% of your retirement savings each year without running out of money. However, depending on your personal situation, you may need to adjust the strategy. It's also important to work with a financial advisor to create a personalized withdrawal strategy. They can help you plan how much to take out each year and make sure your asset allocation is optimized for withdrawals. Retirement planning can seem overwhelming, but by following these 10 effective tips, you can build a solid financial foundation for your future. From maximizing your 401k and IRA contributions to considering annuities and Social Security strategies, every step you take today will pay off in the future. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips that can help you achieve your retirement goals. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.